Welcome back to our channel PartsHnC. Today we're diving into an essential HVAC repair, troubleshooting and replacing your furnace limit switch. The limit switch is a critical safety component that prevents your furnace from overheating. A faulty limit switch could be the culprit if your furnace is cycling on and off irregularly or not producing heat. Let's walk you through the process step by step. First, ensure your safety by turning off the furnace power supply and shutting off the gas. Locate the limit switch. It's typically mounted on the furnace's plenum or near the blower compartment. Use a multimeter to test the switch's continuity. A reading of 0 means it's working fine, but if the meter stays open, the switch is faulty and needs replacement. To replace it, carefully disconnect the wires connected to the old switch, noting their positions for reinstallation. Unscrew the switch and remove it. Install the new limit switch by securing it with screws and reconnecting the wires in their original configuration. Once done, restore power and test your furnace. It should now operate smoothly without irregular shutdowns. Regular maintenance of your HVAC system can extend the life of your limit switch and other components, so keep an eye out for signs of wear.